climb. It's time to climb the mountain. Here's my mom and my sister's dog in the window, but you can't see it. It's too dark. But anyway, here's my half-sister, Ashley.
Did you say half-sister?
Yeah, we're half-sisters.
No, we're not.
I'm just kidding.
It's not funny.
Oh, come on. Laugh for the camera.
Ooh.
Anyway, no fun. We're climbing the mountain. Look how high we are! Oh, this is ice!
Well, what if you had dove in this?
Oh, man! Proof right back.
Hey, you should slide down the slide into the snow.
I'll break that thing. Look at how high this is. It's gorgeous. Wow! It is amazing back here. We really need to have snow. Whoa! Whoa! Snowball fight. Hey, who's gonna show all this?
Not us. Okay, I'll see it later. Here, record me.
Hey.
This is the epic Chicago blizzard that hit Williamsburg too. Look how deep it is. You get my leg?
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Look at how deep this is. Oh my goodness.
Hold on, I gotta put my glove on. I'm cold. Hold on. Oh, see if I can make it to the extraction zone. Ah! Look, a boat sank in the snow.
Take a picture of me on my phone, how deep my legs are.
Oh my gosh! Gosh, golly, Captain! We're going to need your help! I'm sinking!
You need help.
I'm sinking!
Don't get my phone wet.
I can't get up!
Your gloves are wet.
Oh.
Should I do my phone?
Yeah, why not? It's just too... Oh, no!
We know you're there.
Back up!
I want you to see my thing.
I can't get it. Something happened. It's too zoomed in. How do you unzoom?
On the ball. It will zoom back out.
Oh, okay. Oh. Back to the captain! Captain! Where's the anchor? What anchor? We don't have one! Okay?
6 years old again.
I climbed this. How are we going to shovel this?
We're not.
Oh, look at my legs. I have no legs. Where are my legs? Oh, I can't make it.
Where's Bella?
Help! Somebody help me. I'm going to try to climb the extraction. Here, get my climb.
Why do you keep calling it extraction?
What is this? What's the movie?
Anyway.
Lay there for a second so I can picture you.
No. Are you getting this?
Yeah.
Are you getting this?
Why are you screaming? Look at this. Look at this.
Oh my goodness.
We have to shovel this.
I'm not shoveling this.
What am I going to do?
We're going to die if we shovel this.
We're going to have to ask him to bring the snowblower back. Oh, this is a problem. We made it to the top of the mountain.
If knock on our door, we'll just pay him to do the back.
Mount Everest, you guys. We just climbed Mount Everest. The second one. The one that's in my backyard. All right, I'm going to cut this so I can take a picture. Holla.